It's William.
And Robin.
With the Riverstone Life. And where are we at, Robin?
Inside our Riverstone.
Welcome to our home.
Oh, it's a home?
It's a home. We've been in this home for a year and a half.
Well, minus the hail damage.
Minus the hail damage, yes. I mean, yeah.
It was on hiatus for a couple months.
It was. But I think Robin's finally on board, folks.
I don't know about that. I just like to decorate.
She likes to spend money. But we're going to show you. It took us a year and a half to get to this point.
Mm-hmm. Before this, it looked like a show model.
It looked like a show model.
RV show.
And probably the only thing that we might change yet is the furniture.
That would be lovely.
Yeah, I want to do maybe some separate little recliners, or maybe 2 recliners. Get rid of all of this other stuff. So that's the only other thing we're thinking about.
But we are stationary in Alabama.
In Alabama right now.
So what you're about to see, obviously, cannot be put on the road.
Without her packing everything back up, and you'll be doing that the next time we move it.
Without bubble wrapping.
But we did this because this is going to be our little short-term, long-term spot.
That's the plan. That's
the plan. So we're going to step over here. I'm going to let Robin walk into the kitchen, and we're just going to talk about what you did in here, right, Robin?
Sure.
And how much money you spent.
No, we're not going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the money, honey.
Oh, yeah. Well, I think, let me just step back real quick, and let's just look around. I mean, let me just kind of glance around. I think that for a fifth wheel, could you ask for a more homey look?
It is homey.
It's homey. All the pictures, everything works. Even the chairs, you bought some covers for the chairs.
I did. I wasn't a fan of the fifth wheel
fabric on those.
Yeah, nasty.
Well, and the black effect works with the black mat, the black shoe thing. I mean, and most of this stuff is either Amazon or Temu.
Or however you say that.
Oh, and then we got this little thing from Ross.
Yes, that was from Ross.
But I think she did a wonderful job. She even got our wedding picture right up there. It filled in the TV area. I think it looks great. I'm really impressed. I was really impressed. And look at even our Riverstone license plates up there. Just
it is.
But look at all the stuff she put up there. How much work you got in this, Robin?
A lot.
A lot of
hours and hours.
Hours, and everything's kind of.
Thanks to my mom.
Yeah.
She was my.
She helped you.
she was my helper.
Yeah, I think it
getting it together. She didn't put it here.
Yeah, I think
obviously not in Alabama. But.
Yeah, but I think it looks great. You got all the kids and grandkids on the. I mean, the grandkids on the refrigerator.
Nieces and nephews and all their projects.
Everything works perfect. We had no issues with any of this stuff. We still have never used the dishwasher.
We have not.
And I know people are asking about these rugs. The reason these rugs are here is because when we started this adventure, we were in Oklahoma, right, Robin?
We were.
And didn't it get like 30 below zero?
It was cold.
It was cold. We had all the heaters running and everything, and our feet were cold when we walked across the floor.
And it looks more homey.
Yeah, and it makes it look more homey. So, and we use some rub tape on the bottom so they stay right where they are. When the slides come in, it doesn't affect it at all. The slides never catch it or anything. So no issues there. I mean, the Riverstone is really done its job except for our toilets, but we'll talk about them later. Plus, there's another video about those. But love the refrigerator. Oh, don't forget this little thing. We do use that a lot, right?
We do.
Yeah, we do use that a lot. What'd you do? Oh, you added a little sink thing here.
I did.
And then she lays those down in there when she puts the covers back on. That all worked perfectly.
Top space, yes.
I mean, look at, she even got a camper thing. I was impressed. I was really impressed that she actually followed through with some of that. And your drapes?
Curtains. Drapes, when I Googled, are long. These are short.
Well, I'd say that. I did that on purpose because I made that mistake, so I just kind of followed through.
But yes.
Oh, look at you.
I know, I wanted to do a vintage, vintage boho type theme going.
Yeah.
So I couldn't do that without having my grandmother and my great grandmother and their wedding, and then my mom's wedding, and of course our wedding.
And of course ours. Wow, look at that. And look at you put a little old car down here. You even use those spaces too.
I did, because I'm not sure what the purpose of those spaces are.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think
they just have stuff in them.
I think they wanted to make you feel like you had more than what you are.
I'm not sure.
And you have to have one of these little step tools so that you can reach everything, right, Robin?
I do. I'm short.
Yeah. So I mean, it turned out great.
It is. And then more of our wedding.
Yeah, you followed right through. Little place for our shoes. Yes. I love this little mat right here. This mat we picked up when we first got that. And it fits there like it was made for it.
Yeah, for sure.
Made for it. And we love our new door. We can actually look out the window now.
I know, they can't see in. We can see out.
Yeah, that's so cool. So look at all that in there. Let's check the bathroom out. Okay. Oh, since I'm walking in real quick, just remember, folks, if you haven't watched our other video, see a little shut off down there on the toilet. Make sure you add that to your
best thing ever.
Because you're gonna need it. So.
Or maybe it's just us.
Maybe it's just us. Maybe it's just bad luck.
I'm not sure.
What about our washer and dryer?
I love our washer. Love
our washer and dryer. I meet so many people that do not have a washer and dryer and do this lifestyle. I don't know. For what that costs to have, it's, yeah.
Oh, and look, this is our sand sculpture I made into a picture. How fun is that?
Oh, look at that.
Cute, right?
Yeah, I think you've enjoyed this. I know that you've been nicer to me.
Oh, really? Let's see how nice I am when this video's done. And of course, our wedding picture. And
most of them are all done with those little sticky things. You can remove them, and
for sure.
Yeah, everything that we did through there. And this is another rug we put. And then that thing, that autumn thing we had in the living room.
Ottoman, yeah.
Yeah, but I like being able to sit down and take my shoes off.
Me too.
We needed more storage.
We do.
Both of them, we fill them full of blankets and all that type of stuff. So it works out perfect. And then under the bed is basically your giant dresser.
All of my stuff.
Yeah, and then I get one drawer here.
You do.
And she's got all those and all those.
And still storage underneath.
Still storage.
I will not get rid of my clothes.
And yes, we did. We put our mattress from our home when Robin sold the home.
We did.
So it's
best thing we did, though.
Yeah, it was the best thing we did. I mean, I crawl in here and I think I'm back at home.
I don't.
I know you don't.
I don't
oh, what's this thing here?
My daughter made that, her little shadow box.
I didn't even notice that. That's cool. Also, if you get one of these fifth wheels and you don't order it with their little heater, you can order this unit with a heater in here.
Yes.
But this one you can buy on Amazon for like 150 bucks. That's been a great idea, right?
I love it.
Yeah, I mean, and it works perfectly, and you just turn it. It's got two settings, and
our sound machines.
And our sound machines, and
they're my favorite.
I know that everybody's like, "What are these things?" There's little fans built in there, and the reason we got these is because, like an app on your phone just keeps going over and over and over. This actually gives you the real sound.
It does.
So. And then I put mine on, and at night, if we're in a noisy place, we don't have any problem. I mean, most people will just turn their fan on. Sometimes you don't want that fan if it's cold or something like that, you know. So we use those things. So if we're even in an RV park, we don't hear anybody ever, do we?
It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Robin's got a little fan over there to cool her off because she's menopausal.
Something.
Something. And what'd you do?
Our bathroom.
Our bathroom. Now we're not going to open that closet door because
God, no, that's no.
That's where we stuff everything when we don't want people to see it. So.
But our shower.
But it is organized, right? It's organized. It's just a lot of stuff.
But there's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Our shower glass door's gone.
Yeah, and what I like about it is it looks clean all the time. Everything just looks clean now. Yeah.
Love it. Oh, and these.
You know, we've complained about this.
We did. So this is our fix for now because I haven't decided what kind of.
Actually, I don't think I'm going to change it. I think it works perfect.
I don't know. It depends how much longer.
Where'd you buy those at?
Same place, Temu.
And how much did they cost?
They were like 70-some cents.
70 cents. And look at, both of them are fixed.
Yes, because without them, water
every time I wash my
down
hands,
and goes everywhere. Me too, and I have smaller hands than you. Yeah. It's awful.
Yeah, I think it did great. I think it did a great job. And these little stick-on things we just got from Amazon too.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, and I love my little picture. Rug. How cute is that?
Oh yeah, I don't even know. Yeah.
She's not naked, by the way. She has clothes on.
Oh, sure she is. And see, look at my other quick fix on the toilet. So, and why do we have these little toilet things, Robin?
Because I like to overflow.
Every
or shall
time
I say it likes to do it when I use the
I
bathroom.
leave her alone.
I think it's haunted.
Yeah, when I leave her alone, and if I'm gone a long ways, she'll go to use the toilet and it won't shut off.
And I do the same exact thing when you're here. So it makes absolutely no sense. Other than it's taunting me because I'm really not a fan of his life.
If you come across this video and this is the first time you watch our channel, just watch one of our other videos about these porcelain toilets. The little plunger that lets the water go in and out. If for some reason it sticks on our toilets all the time.
But it's only me.
Yeah. No, it's stuck on me too. It just usually I can just slam it with my foot and get it to pop back.
Yeah, I can slam it with
and I've changed those things like 10 times and I just changed them again. But I put these quick shut-offs, and this unit has 2 bathrooms, so what Robin can do, she can go to the bathroom twice when I'm gone.
I can.
So if this one
if you're gone longer than me go to the bathroom twice, you're in trouble.
Yeah, I'm in trouble. So I mean, But if you're just thinking about buying a Riverstone, you're coming across our videos. If you watch some of the first ones, yes, I was very upset when I purchased this thing because there was things that the dealer just didn't do, and that fell on the dealer. When Riverstone found out about it, they took care of 99% of what I wanted and took care of everything and did a great job. But we're out of warranty now, so I'm either going to have to replace these toilets or just keep doing what I'm doing. And I'm not sure what to replace them with because everybody makes it sound like these are the toilets they have.
Yeah, I guess.
So I don't know if we just got the ones that were made on a COVID Friday, maybe?
I don't know.
I don't know. So, but that's the only problem we're having. So other than that, the floors have held up great. The walls have held up great. I don't think we've had any issues with anything in here through now.
Nope.
Yeah, super happy. So let's just walk on through,
Decorated,
Rowan. Yes, I mean, just give it the effect here. Oh, because I can see the pictures. Oh, and then we got this little air purifier that works great too. That was,
my nose.
yeah, it helps your nose. That was on Amazon. Robin hung some more pictures. But, you know, we wanted to show you the home because I guarantee that when people look at our first videos and a year later they're going, would they just buy a show model just for the YouTube channel? Because we weren't decorating. We were always traveling, right? We're always doing something. So we were here to sleep, do our laundry, and get back on the road again. Or we were lugging this across the country because we lugged this thing to 35 states last year. Yes. Yes. We slowed that down this year. We're still doing the traveling. We're still on the road.
With foster homes.
Yeah, we're still doing all that stuff, and we're going to keep doing that stuff. We're just trying to, you know, take a little wear and tear off this, right?
Yeah.
And a little wear and tear off us, because when we know this is placed somewhere, and we know when we come here we can just relax and re-energize.
It's nice.
Yeah. And I know things ain't breaking except the toilets. And I got a whole drawer, right over there, I got a whole drawer full of toilet plunger things. But we wanted to show you everything. I think Robin did a great job.
I love the cabinets. Isn't that cute?
I love
There's
it all.
no wall space, so there's limited places
I mean,
I can put things.
I think you should use that space because that's wasted space. I always talk about why they do things like that.
It's going to be torture to, bubble wrap everything.
Yeah, well.
But we're not going anywhere.
We're not going anywhere anytime soon. So, well, we wanted to show you the home. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. And if you're a Riverstone person and you've decorated yours, tell us what you think, or email us some pictures of yours, because Robin's always looking for other ideas in case you want to change something.
For sure.
But I think this has came a long way, because we have people watching one of our first videos when we did our first our year review, and that thing gets a lot of reviews and a lot of people checking it out. Yeah. So I'm hoping that those people look at this one now and go, wow.
They don't look like they're in the showroom.
They might think I married a different woman because... Just remember, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you like what we're doing on the channel, what do they do, Robin?
Subscribe.
And you know my famous line, always